Alright, it's time for yet another mystery slate sharpening stone. Now, I've had these before. I actually have another one of these. And every time I've ever found one of these, it's sort of been from that Spain, Portugal area that it's come out of. I have no clue. Never had any label or anything on one of these, so I couldn't tell you. What I can tell you is, you'll see those chamfers and immediately think it's French. It is not one of those. I have plenty of that material, and it's not that. It's not special stone material. It's not Walloon material. Don't know what material it is. And always the boxes are held together with all these little nails. This particular one, when I got it, was absolutely crawling with all these marks, like somebody was sharpening something like a syringe needle. A needle from like a syringe or a sewing needle or something on it. Absolutely everywhere. And this is after I've cleaned up the back a lot. It was way worse than that. And here's the top. And like a lot of slates, you can shave off of this one. A lot of slates are very humdrum stones to shave off of, but this one's alright. Gives a crispy edge, I would say. It's 6 and 7/16 of an inch long, 3.5 inches wide, 1 inch deep. And the other interesting thing about this stone is it's quite dense for its size. This particular one weighs 1,007.3 grams. I don't often give the weight, but I do here because it's interesting. It's so heavy. Here are some saw marks, by the way. I think whenever this was used in the past, it was used with a light oil of some sort, but I've pretty much stripped that out. Anytime I've used it, I've just put a bead of dish soap in some water, and it's not done anything wrong or harmful. So I have no clue. Maybe if somebody from that area of the world watches this channel, they would know. But let me try to zoom in. Zoom. Here are the saw marks. Sorry, let me get a... So yeah. Not sure on this one. I'm not sure on any of them. But a little piece of pyrite does no harm. Yep. So anyway, I need to fix that because that's annoying, to put it mildly. Anyway, mystery slate, yet another. Maybe not a mystery, maybe it's just a mystery to me. If you know, say something and educate everyone. Thank you.